Hello everyone, and welcome to another off-road update. With 6 rounds complete in the 2024 GNCC season, there have been 3 riders to capture wins thus far in the YXC ranks. Heading into round 7 at Powerline Park in Ohio, rain soaked the facility that led to the trickiest conditions of the year. With the summer break fast approaching, having the mud skills underneath you is going to be paramount to winning the Youth National Championship. As the green flag waved for the YXC1 field, it was KTM-mounted Doc Smith grabbing the hole shot. Behind him came Husqvarna's Brody Amos, Kawasaki's Caleb Wood, another Husky-mounted Braden Baisley, and Gas rider Cole Parlin. As the field popped into view on lap 1 under the power lines, it was Indiana native Smith controlling a sizable lead over the field. Wood, Amos, and Baisley were next in line, while Caleb Johnson rounded out the top 5, with Parlin and Easton Uplinger on his rear wheel. When the riders looped back into the start chicane to head towards the finish line, the order had shifted. Defending champ Wood was in the lead ahead of Baisley and Amos, as Smith had troubles and dropped all the way back to 4th. Midway through lap 2, and this time it was Baisley out front over Wood and Amos. Smith was still in 4th, but overriding the slick Ohio track that led to multiple crashes throughout the race. Johnson, meanwhile, was still in 5th, but was having to play dodge bike with riders who were having an even bigger problem with the muddy conditions than those up front. At the completion of lap 2, it was still Baisley, followed by Wood and Amos. The 3 riders who had captured all 6 overall wins to start the year were showing why they were the ones everyone had to play catch-up. Just a couple miles into lap 3, and Wood popped out of the trees in the point position, but allowed Amos to take over the lead. Baisley had dropped all the way to 3rd, while Smith and Johnson were still rounding out the top 5. Lap 4 underway, and Amos held the lead over Wood as Smith had clawed his way back into the final podium position. Baisley, meanwhile, had fallen victim to the track and the lappers and had slid back to 4th. With the 2-lap card out, Wood had the lead with a sizable gap over new second-place rider Smith. Where was Amos? The Husqvarna rider had the lead coming into view of the crowd at the finish line, and the bike let go. The race winner of the Old Gray GNCC was done for the day. Last lap, and there was still excitement on the track. Wood was still in the lead, but had a hard-charging Doc Smith closing in behind him. The Indiana native, wanting to make up for a DNF at his home race at the Hoosier, was putting in an incredible performance in the tricky conditions. In the end, mistakes cost the KTM riders chances at being the 4th winner on the season. Caleb Wood came through to earn win number 5 on the year. Smith held on for 2nd, while Baisley came through in 3rd. Easton Uplinger finished 4th, with Ruger Morgan rounding out the top 5.
Yeah, we got, I think, 3rd off the start, or 2nd off the whole shot, then 3rd off the start. Braden got around me. And then got around Doc and Brody, and then we just kind of started flopping back and forth a couple times, and just trying to keep it on 2 wheels as much as possible. I ended up going down like once, and then Doc got around me in a good line, and we were just going back and forth the entire last lap, and he made a mistake, and I was able to make up on his mistake, and just took it home to the win.
Thank you everyone for watching. Round 8 of the 2024 GNCC season takes place June 1st and 2nd at the High Point Raceway for the Mason-Dixon GNCC. I'll see you guys there.